Hello, and welcome to the 26th edition of the Meyer Musings. Today is April 10th, 2016. In management, Monday morning we'll have an Apex overview meeting. It'll be at 8 and end at about 8:30. It'll be in the Media Center. This will be an overview of what will be expected when we kick off our Apex activities throughout the next 2 weeks. There will be a staff meeting this week at 8 o'clock on Tuesday in the Sun Center. The agenda will be that we're going to walk through and visit the program because people don't know where it's at, and we want our neighbors to feel connected to the Ole Elementary. Thank you, Sun staff, for organizing this and providing this tour. Please wear your bully shirts on Tuesday. The reason being is when we kick off our rally for the Apex rally, we want to have orange as their color. So those are the shirts that we have that are orange. So I thought it would be fitting. We'll have a BLT meeting on Friday at 8 o'clock in my office, and we will, our agenda will include the district updates from the district instructional team and the learning supports team, as well as our Olympic Day work group update. In instruction, I read an article from the Chronicle of Higher Education. It's titled Small Changes in Teaching, the Last 5 Minutes of Class. There's lots of research out there that states that the first 5 minutes of class and the last 5 minutes of class are the most important because it's what the kids remember. This article was written by James Lang on April 1st, 2016. The first strategy is the minute paper. Basically, kids respond in writing to these two questions. What was the most important thing you learned today? And two, what question still remains in your mind? In other words, it kind of summarizes what they learned, and then the last one is it kind of tells the teacher what they're still struggling with. Closing connections is a second one. In that, you identify 5 ways the day's materials appear in context outside the classroom. Current events, personal experiences, popular songs. So if you're studying something about writing a summary and you might have had the kids connected to summarizing their day yesterday. You might not even use 5 ways. Maybe it's just 3 ways since we're in elementary school. And the last one is closing the loop. At the beginning of a lesson, it's, one very effective way to teach is to pose 1 or 2 questions at the beginning of a lesson. So if you do that, then at the end you can review how you confirmed it, enhanced, or contradicted what students already knew. So if you're looking for that question as you're teaching, and at the very end you ask them, okay, so now let's reflect. Did it confirm what you thought? Is it different than what you thought? Or was it, was it better than you thought? Under learning supports, our work groups, we're going to start with our master schedule. Jenny Deravingas will lead the group. Jenny is setting up the meeting dates. Thank you, Jenny. Class placements work group. Amy Rowland will lead the group. Thank you, Amy. And then we'll begin once our master schedule is completed. We're going to take these 2 things work together, but we thought it was best to start with the master schedule so then we can jump into class placements. Well, it's a short one. That's it for now. I look forward to another great week. Thank you.